In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to find latest jobs on LinkedIn. So I'll be logging into the LinkedIn website. So I'm going to type LinkedIn and then go to the official website of LinkedIn, and then I'm going to log in with my account. So my account is already logged in. Up above here on the navigation tab, I'm going to select jobs, and then the type of skills that I'm going to search is copyright, but you can select any the skills that you want to select here. Just type your skills, and then in the location you're going to type the location. For this case, I'm going for United States, and then we're going to filter further down here. You'll see date posted, so we're going to select past 24 hours like that, and then click show results. Now here you can see all the jobs that have been posted within the last 24 hours. We can filter this further. So in this URL address, you can see we have TPR equals to R86400. So these are time in seconds. So remember, we filtered this 24 hours. So if you convert 24 hours into seconds, you get this. Let's prove that. I'm going to pull up my calculator, and then just type 24. We're going to convert 24 hours into seconds. So multiply by 60 to convert to minutes, multiply again by 60 to convert to seconds. Now you can see we have 86,400, and that's what we have here. For example, we're going to filter by 5 hours. So multiply 5 by 60 by 60, you get 18,000. So just click on this URL, and we're going to replace this value here by 18,000. Then you hit enter. You're going to get all the jobs, all the copywriting jobs that have been posted within the last 5 hours. Now if you scroll down, you can see the results are showing for 32. The results have been now reduced to 32 jobs. Now if you scroll down, you can see all the jobs that have been posted in the last 5 hours. If we now narrow down again to 1 hour, so 1 hour, that will be 60. Let me just clear that with 60 by 60. That will be 60 by 60. That will be 60 by 60. That will be exactly 3,600. Now if we replace that again, remember we are changing TPR, so we change that value to 3,600, and then you hit enter. I expect the results now to, you can see now we have 14 results, and you can see all the jobs, the copywriter jobs that have been posted in the last 1 hour. So that's all. That's how you can find the latest jobs that have been posted in LinkedIn. So that's all for this tutorial, and see you in the next one.